Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown.
Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin Up demonstrator in Australia. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I have another one of those how do I do that videos, and we're looking at card folds today. So I've got some balmy blue cardstock here, and I'm going to come in and cut it. Now, because I'm in Australia, we work in metric, so our sheet is A4 in length, or 29.7 centimetres. So I'm going to cut it at about 14.85, so just between 14.8 and 14.9. Alright, and then I'm going to come in with my scoring tool, and I'm going to score it at 10.5. This will give me a portrait card or a landscape card in a different way. So I'll score the other one at 10.5 as well. I will put the imperial measurements on my blog. And then it's important to bend away from the score. So you've got your score line here. So bend away. See how nicely that bends? Whereas if you're doing it the other way, it's a bit more difficult. So, and then come down with your bone folder, and you've got a nice firm crease. So you've got a portrait card there, or you can turn it around and make a landscape card, which is what we're going to do now. So I have one portrait and one landscape out of an A4 piece of card. All right, so that's one fold. Then I'm going to come in with some mint macaron, and I'm going to cut it at 10.5. Our card measures 21 centimetres wide, so 21 by 29.7 or A4. So I'm going to cut it at 10.5. And then this time I'm not actually going to score it because I can't get a real score line that's exactly halfway. So I'm just going to come in and fold it in half and make sure I've got a nice firm crease there. And I'll do the same with the other one. So just fold it in half so that your corners are meeting down here on your raw edge. Fold it in half. So this time I've got a landscape card which will open that way, or I've got a tall card, portrait fashion, which will open that way. So there's two ways to cut your card and get 4 different styles out of your cardstock. So 2 portrait ones, one tall like that, and one that'll open like that, and then another tall one that'll open like that, and another one that will open like that. You can buy these products in my online store, and I'd love you to shop with me. That's it from me today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
Everybody plays a part in doing what we love.